Hi, I'm Candice with O'Brien Dental Lab. Today we're diving into the world of monolithic zirconia restorations, an exceptional choice for modern dentistry. Let's explore why these restorations are highly valued and how to use them effectively. Monolithic zirconia boasts the highest flexural strength and fracture toughness of any tooth-colored material. This incredible durability makes it a top choice for restorations, especially in the posterior region. One of zirconia's standout features is its smooth surface texture. When polished properly, zirconia restorations are gentle on opposing teeth, reducing wear and enhancing patient comfort. Zirconia is suitable for crowns and bridges throughout the mouth, but due to its optical properties, it's best utilized for posterior restorations where strength and durability are crucial. When adjusting occlusion, it's vital to preserve the smooth surface. For minor adjustments, consider modifying the opposing tooth. If adjustments to the zirconia itself are necessary, use the Brasseler Dialite intraoral adjustment and polishing kit, followed by diamond polishing paste to maintain that critical smoothness. For internal adjustments, adjust the preparation if possible. If the internal aspect of the zirconia needs modification, use a diamond drill with adequate irrigation to minimize heat buildup. When it comes to cementation, monolithic zirconia can be conventionally cemented with your preferred crown and bridge cement. Since zirconia cannot be etched, adhesive bonding isn't possible. For better chemical bonding, multi-link auto mix by Ivoclar is recommended. All our zirconia restorations are crafted in our Corvallis, Oregon laboratory, adhering to ISO 9001 and DAMAS QMS standards. We ensure each restoration meets the highest quality standards with a production time of just 5 working days. For any case consultations or technical support, our Crown and Bridge team is here to help. Call us at 1-800-445-5941 or request a call on your RX. Thanks for watching. We are committed to supporting your practice with top quality restorations and excellent customer service. See you next time.